Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add Google Calendar invitees to Flolu as contacts. So let's take an example that you are a business owner and you are using Google Calendar to create new events and you are adding some invitees to those events. Now you want that whenever you add a new invitee to an event in your Google Calendar, automatically the same invitee should be added as a new contact to your Flu CRM account, so that you can have a customer database and you can use this database for your business related further activities. For this, we need to create a connection between your Google Calendar and Flu account. So in order to create a connection, we will be using a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Google Calendar with Flu CRM automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen.
Welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you're going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Google Calendar to Flu integration. Google Calendar to Flu integration. Okay, here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever an appointment is scheduled in your Google Calendar, automatically the customer or the invitee should be added to your Flu CRM as a contact. For that, just open this trigger window and choose the application name as Google Calendar. Select the trigger event as new event. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Calendar. Now it is asking me to choose an account. In which account I want to access my Google Calendar. So I'm just going to choose my account from here. Pabbly Connect Calendar wants access to your Google account. Okay, so let's scroll down and let's click on continue and give away the access over here. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Google Calendar is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the calendar name. So I'll just take you to my Google Calendar where I have already created some calendars over here. That is meetings calendar, Pabbly integration, reminders, tasks and other calendars. So now I want that whenever a new appointment is scheduled or a new event is scheduled in my Pabbly integration calendar, then only this workflow should run. So I have to select the same calendar name over here in Pabbly Connect also. That is Pabbly integration. Now before clicking on save and send test request, let us create a new event in our Google Calendar. Just because after clicking on save and send test request, it is going to capture the latest response. So I'm just coming to my Pabbly integration calendar over here and let us select the appointment on 25th. For that I have to just click on this create button and click on event. Okay, and here I am going to add the title as appointment with Adam Smith. So I'm having an appointment with Adam Smith. The date would be 25th of April and the timing will be 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here we have to add the guest. So let us add the guest as Adam Smith itself. Okay. Now let's scroll down. Here we need to add some description. So let us add the description as need action steps for teamwork. Okay, I'm just giving an random description over here. So we have given the description details over here. We have given the title. We have selected the date. If you want to mention the location also, you can just specify it over here. Okay, and let's click on save now. Would you like to send an invitation email to your Google Calendar guest? No, I don't want to send. So I'm just selecting it as don't send. So the event is saved over here. The appointment is scheduled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details of the event and the invitee are captured over here. Let's scroll down. Here we can find the summary as appointment with Adam Smith. Here we can find his description. And here we can find the display name of our calendar, that is Pabbly integration. Here we can find the date and time, okay, the start date time and the end date time. And here we can find the attendee's email address, okay. Now to add a customer in our Flu CRM account, we need the name of the customer. But here we have got just the email address. But we have got the name in the description or the title of the appointment, that is appointment with Adam Smith. So we are going to use these details. For that, we have to just extract this name from the title. For that, scroll down, come to the action step, choose the application name as text formatter. Select the action event as text parser. Click on connect. Now it is connected. Now here we have to give the text that needs to be parsed. So we need the summary that needs to be parsed. For that we have to map the summary over here from Google Calendar, that is appointment with Adam Smith. Now here we have to give text match after. So we want the name after with. So I am giving the after word as with over here, and we don't have any before word. So I am just leaving it as blank, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, in the response we have got the customer name. Now we want the first name and the last name separately. For that, again come to this plus sign, add action step. Choose the application name as text formatter once again. Select the action event as split text this time. Click on connect. Now here we have to map the text that needs to be splitted. See, we want this name to get splitted, which we have got from the second step of text formatter. So we will be mapping the same name over here, that is from text formatter, and the name would be Adam Smith. Now here we have to give the separator. Enter the character, special characters are allowed, or the word separator to split the text on. For space as a separator, use space. So I am just giving space over here. Okay. And after that, let's scroll down. Here we have to select the segment index as all. And let's click on save and send test request. So here we have got the first name and the last name separately. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a new contact should get created into your Flu CRM account. For that, scroll down, click on this plus sign, add action step. Choose the application name as Flu. Select the action event as create CRM account contact. This one, create CRM account contact. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and the account URL. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Flu account. Navigate to the system settings page from the left sidebar. You can find your account URL and your API key is available under the API settings section. So I'll just take you to my Flu CRM account. Here when we scroll down, we can find the system settings option. Just click on it. And here we can find the API settings. Click on API settings. And here we are going to create a new API key. So let's click on this create button. Here we are going to give a name to the API key. So let us give it as Google Calendar integration. And here we have to select the applications as CRM and click on save. Okay, and here we can see that a new API key is generated over here. Now we are just going to copy this API key and we will be pasting the same API key over here in our Pabbly Connect account. Now it is asking for the account URL. Enter your account URL with the leading HTTPS protocol. So we are going to copy the account URL from our Flolu account itself. So this is the account URL. From here, I'm just going to select it, copy it, and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, and the slash is not required, so I'm just removing the slash, and let's click on save. Okay, and now the Flolu CRM account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Flolu account. So make sure before creating a connection you are logged into your Flolu account. Now here we have to select the title ID. So let us read the instructions. Choose horrific title for your contact. To ignore this field, turn on the mapping button and leave this field as blank. Okay, so if I specify Mr. over here, it will be for the male candidates only, male customers only. But if we enter the data of some female candidates or the female employees, then the Mr. will not go. For that, I'm just going to ignore this field. Let's click on this mapping button and I'm just going to leave it as blank. Now here we have to give the first name of the customer. So let us map it from the text formatter. And the first name was Adam. Here we have to map the last name, again from text formatter, that was Smith. Here we have to map the email address. So email address we have got from Google Calendar. So we will be mapping it from Google Calendar, that is adamsmith888@gmail.com. If you are having the description details of the contact, you can just specify it over here. Here you can select the category. So it is a customer or an analyst or an integrator, investor, partner. So you can select it as per your requirement. As this is a customer, I am just selecting the category as customer. Here you can select the industry type also. So let us select it as banking. If you have the address details or the phone details, you can just give it over here. Okay. So we are not having all these details. So I'm just leaving it as blank. The owner ID is automatically captured. Okay. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new contact is saved in our Flolu CRM account. Let's check it. I'm just going to move to my CRM section and let's click on contacts. Okay, and here we can see that Adam Smith is added as a new contact over here. A customer, here we can find his email address and here we can find the created date and time. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation between Google Calendar and Flolu CRM, next time whenever you are going to book a new appointment with any of your customer or a new event is created, automatically the details of the customer will be added to your Flolu CRM account as a new contact. So let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to my Google Calendar account once again. And this time we are going to just select the appointment date as 28th. Okay, let's create the event. And I'm going to just give the name as meeting with Shikha Arya. And let us select the time as 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay. Here let us select the guest as Shikha Arya 22@gmail.com. Okay, and here we have to just give the description. Meeting with Shikha regarding Pabbly integration. Okay. So we have given the description as meeting with Shikha regarding the Pabbly integration. And let's click on save. Would you like to send invitation emails? No, I don't want to send. So here we can see that a new event is created. A meeting is scheduled with Shikha Arya on 28th. Now let us check our Flolu CRM account that whether this particular customer named Shikha Arya is added as a new contact over there or not. So let's move to our Flolu account. We have to just refresh it. Now even after refreshing, we can find the customer details added over here just because the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. Okay, now it's almost 3 to 4 minutes. Let us refresh it once again. Okay, and here we can see that a new customer is added over here named Shikha Arya. Here we can find her email address, and here we can find the created date. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. I'll just minimize the action steps as well as the trigger window also. Okay, so first we have created an integration between Google Calendar and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the event and the customer whenever a new event was created. Then we have used text formatter, that is the text parser, just because we have got the name of the customer in the title of the event. So we have to just extract the name of the customer. Then we have used text formatter split text because we have got the first name and the last name all together. But for creating a contact in Flolu, we need the first name and the last name separately. And at last, using all these details, a new contact was created into your Flolu CRM account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Google Calendar and Flolu using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.